The next example I want to look at is my problems where I have radicals with coefficients. So remember, coefficients are these numbers that are on the outside of a monomial or of a function. So in this example, 3 is my coefficient here. Okay, and when we have coefficients in our radical, right, we're going to multiply the coefficient after we've simplified. So I'm going to do this problem using the factor tree way. Right? Remember, that means that I want to break down my radicand into prime numbers here. All right, so again, 60 is an even number, so I'm going to go ahead and divide it by 2. 2 is a prime number, so I'm going to go ahead and extend down on the 30. That can be divided by 2 again. Right. I can't divide 15 by 2 anymore, but I know that I can split up 15 down to 3 and 5. Right? 3 and 5 are both prime numbers, so I'm going to stop my factor tree here. Again, my index tells me that I'm going to make groups of 2. So I have a pair of 2's here, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the outside of my radical. And then I don't want to forget about this coefficient, so I'm going to go ahead and bring that coefficient on down. My last step here is I want to look at what's going to go inside my radicand for my simplified answer. So 3 and 5 are both prime numbers, right? I can't break them down anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply them back to 15. And that's going to be my simplified radical. Right? 15 can't break down to anything simpler. My very, very, very last step is I want to go ahead and multiply the 3 and the 2. 3 times 2 gives me 6, and I'm just going to bring down my radical. Right. So if I want to simplify 3 times the square root of 60, I would get 6 square root of 15.